Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Take note of this, no? What are the physical properties of glass fragments, no? Which can be compared for forensic analysis? Okay, anong sagot dito? Okay, so what is the answer for this one? Okay. Ano ang mga physical properties of glass fragments? Okay, what is the answer, guys? Tandaan nyo, guys, ha? You should remember, okay, that there are two physical properties of glass fragments. Two physical properties. So ang sagot dito is letter D. Both A and B. Kaya tayong concentric immersion method. Kasi pag sinabi mong concentric, it is a crack, no? Glass crack, no? Circular glass crack. Yung, no? Crack doon sa basag o basag sa salamin na ikot, no? Encircling, no? Broken glass. Ngayon, dalawa yan. Glass flotation method and glass immersion method. So the answer is letter D. Tandaan nyo, no? Pag sinabi mong glass, okay, flotation method, okay, it's all about the density. Physical properties niya, density of glass. No? Density of glass ang focus niya. Pag sinabi mong glass immersion, okay, glass immersion method, okay, ito ay yung refractive index of glass. Okay? Refractive index of glass. So take note of this keyword. Baka tanongin sa inyo no? It is a type of methods, no, focus on the refractive index of the glass. Ang sagot, guys, is glass immersion. Kapag density, glass flotation. Okay, method. So please remember that. Let us now proceed to number 29. Okay, guys, no? If anything na nag-confuse sa inyo or naguguluhan kayo, type your question, ha? Type your question para masagot ko. So, huwag niyong kimkimin ang tinatago niyong tanong. Okay? Ilabas niyo lang para lalo kayong matuto. Okay? Punta tayo sa 29, guys. Okay, what is the answer for number 29? What is the answer? Anong sagot? Alam niyo yan eh. I know. Crack which radiate outward. Okay, radiate outward. So there are two types of glass fractures. Okay, or cracks. Okay, so sinabi mong radiate, ito yung from the center, then gumuguhit siya palabas. Okay? Kapag guys, no, kung naalala niyo yung lecture natin kahapon sa wheel method, ang ganun yung crack niya. Nagsisimula sa center, tapos kumakalat. So, Mexico answered A. So, tama. The answer is radial fractures. Okay? Yung tinatawag nating cone, no, characteristic na yan. If you will use a microscope, hindi naman totally na-destroy yung glass. Nagkaroon lang ng butas. Malalaman mo yung point of the impact. No? Dahil kapag ang hole sa glass, yung glass hole, concave. Parang cone. Diba? Pag tinignan nyo yung apa, okay, especially kanyang butas, di ba? Malawak siya din, panarrow. No? Pikitid siya hanggang sa dulo. So, ganun ang characteristic ng glass para ma-determine yung glass hole, para ma-determine mo kung anong point of direction siya. Okay? So, I want you to remember that. Okay? Yes, sir, ano pong sagot sa number 28? Sige. Ganyan lang, no? Kapag hindi nyo na-catch up, tanong, there is no wrong na magbalik tayo. Pwede naman nating balikan. Diba? Nakalipas, pwede namang balikan. Diba? So, the answer for this one, guys, is delta. Okay? So, delta, the answer. Okay? From P6 366. Okay, ang ganda ng numbers. So let us now proceed to number 30. Number 30 na tayo. Number 30 na tayo. Okay guys, tandaan nyo ha. I prepared more than 200 questions ngayon. Okay. Oh, lag talaga. Naiintindihan natin kaya nga dapat kapag nyo na catch up, magtanong. Okay, magtanong. Okay, so number 30 na tayo ngayon, no? Wala pa, 9:30 pa lang tayo. Number 30 na tayo. Kasi nag-prepare ako ng 200 okay, plus pa yata ito na question para sa inyo. Okay, sa number 29, okay, Aldrin, the answer is alpha. Okay, radial fracture. Radial fracture. So focus, guys. So let us now proceed to number 30. Okay. Yes, number 30, you are correct, Mexico. Box encircle the whole glass. Okay, so Mexico, you are correct. The answer is concentric. Okay, concentric. Kung una, radial, radiates outward from the center, outward. That is radial. Concentric is circling. Okay, so answer is letter B. Number 30, the answer is letter B. So anong importance na para pag-aralan natin ang radial and concentric fractures? Okay, what is your answer? What is the importance of analyzing the radial and concentric fractures? Okay, what is your answer, guys? Okay. Tama si Mexico. Okay. Tama si Mexico. The answer is point of impact. Saan yung point of impact? O saan siya binasag? Anong side siya binasag? Okay? Especially kapag, di ba, may mga like, robbery. Papasukin yung bintana, glass yung bintana, binasag yung bintana. Yun, paano mo malalaman? Baka mamaya kasi merong mga matatalino inside job like, example, kasapakat yung katulong pala ang nagnakaw or sama sa bahay. Ang ginawa, binasag mula sa loob ng bintana para malito yung investigation. Parang isipin ng investigador, magnanakaw sa labas ang gumawa. Pero hindi nila alam na nasa loob. So one of, makikita natin na, mapipoint natin talaga kung saan binasag yan sa pamamagitan nito. Analysis of radial and concentric fractures. Okay? So, take note of that. So, the answer is, point of impact. The answer is point of impact. So, paano natin malalaman, guys? Paano natin malalaman kung saan galing? So, lalo na kung basag na basag talaga ang bintana, na nagkalat yung glass fragments. Okay, using a magnifying glass or pinaka-the best a microscope na lang. Kumuha ka ng isang peraso. Okay? So, kapag nakita mo yung lines doon sa pinaka-edge, okay, edge ng salamin, Yung edge ng salamin, okay? Examine mo yon using a magnifying glass, pero the best kung medyo microscope, makikita mo may mga linya ron. Kung ang linya, kung makikita nyo, no, from the center, then pakalat, no, pakalat siya, no? From the center, kunyari ito yung edge, from the center, then kalat dito. Itong pinagmulan ng mga linya, o kung saan na naging base ng mga linya na yun sa edge, okay, yun ang, okay, I want you to remember, yun ang point of impact. Ibig sabihin, kung saan no, nakaharap yung salamin na yun, kung saan nakaharap, no, doon nagkaroon ng no, pagsira. No? Yun ang side na sinira. Okay, so take note of that. That is a point of impact. The answer in this one is point of impact.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!